Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones are greatly appreciated. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks, and let's get cooking. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making pan seared garlic lemon dill butter salmon. It is delicious. I'm going to start with the salmon. It has been wiped, and I'm going to season it with some salt, just a little bit, as well as some black pepper. For the ingredients, I have cherry tomatoes, garlic butter for the searing, lemon, olive oil, avocado, which will be also for the salad. I'm going to put some butter. And I got this from a local grocery store. You can make the garlic butter on your own if you choose to, or you can purchase it. I chose to purchase it because it was easier. I'm going to put it right in here. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice on it. And you want to baste it while it's searing. And this is something you need to keep an eye on because you do not want your salmon to burn. And 2 to 3 minutes on each side should be fine. So we're ready to turn our salmon over. Again, I'm going to start putting the butter. And put my lemon on it. You want to be careful with the salmon because you need to maintain the pinkness that's in the salmon. And it should be ready in 2 more minutes. And I'm going to start getting the salad ready. Okay, we're going to start with the salad. And make sure it's ready. I'm just going to set the lettuce out. Put in the tomatoes, just to give it some color, that's all. ready. It's gonna go right here. I'm gonna put my lemon dill right over it. And for the dressing, I'm gonna add the lemon to the olive oil. Stir it in. I'm gonna pour some of that nice sauce. It's just plain lemon and olive oil over that. And what's gonna happen, I made extra, and that's gonna go right in the middle of the avocado. And even someone wants more, they can take that from the avocado. It's ready. The salmon is pink inside, which is what it's supposed to be. You don't want to overcook your salmon. And this is really easy to make. If you just feel like eating a salad for lunch or for dinner, this is an easy recipe to follow, and it is healthy. Delicious. Salmon is one of my favorite seafood. On an average, I do eat it at least 4 times a month. I need to dip more dressing. Some stuff on my dill. Yummy. Look at this. Please make sure to try this recipe. You will like it. Please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Click on like. I would love to hear from you, so please comment. Helpful ones are greatly appreciated. Share with family and friends, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop my next video. Without further ado, thanks, and let's get cooking.